And we're gonna go ahead and stand this up, just like that. Why? You'll see. We're gonna go ahead and crack this bottle open right here, just like that. Come through for a little, just a little. You can save the rest for yourself if you want, for your buddy that's filming. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab these jalapenos, just like that. That we removed the seeds from, and place them in all the way. And they go. Super simple. Slides like butter. We'll pick that one up. Pick that one back up. And we're gonna come through one last thing, guys. You can find the recipe for this. Fill this up with this delicious cream filling. Cheese. Close it up, guys, and we move on to the grill. Bring this onto this smoking hot griddle. Just watch this sear. Okay, y'all, what we're looking for here is a beautiful crust, which I am absolutely sure we're gonna have. Check this out. Now let's flip it and get the other side. Look at this. Perfect. Grab this and we move on. And with our cheddar, we're gonna go ahead and place it on this plancha. Hot grill, guys, just like this. Spread it out quickly. We come through with these jalapenos for you guys. Grilled cheese, everybody knows how to make it. If you don't, check out the recipe at chefclub.tv. Place these on there. Now we're gonna come through with our wheat bread. Bam, just like that. 2, 4, and 6. We're gonna let that melt nicely. Toasty bread. We're gonna go ahead and grab our grilled cheese jalapeno sandwiches here. Bring them over. Come over here. And our meat is nice and ready. We come straight over here, y'all. Grab this that has been resting for about 15 minutes. We want the juices to disperse throughout the meat and not everywhere on the plate when we cut it. And as usual, we have cuts for everyone here. We have this beauty, just like that. Look at that nice one. For everyone. No matter how you like your piece, how you like your meat, whether it's medium rare, or even a little well done, guys, we have a piece here. Last piece. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab this here. Place it just in the center and grab one of our poppers. Nice, and finish off a little barbecue sauce. Now, just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and close this guy up. And it's about that time.
Like so. Then we're gonna remove these from the plastic bag and set them over here. With a shot glass, I'm gonna punch out the center and we can just tuck that into the side and just press down through the center of each one of our patties here. And then pipe some cheddar cream cheese mixture just around the center of our patty. I'm gonna just make a little hole here in the center. Then I'm gonna take the other half, secure that right on top, and we'll seal the edges. So now that we have our edges nicely sealed, our pan is ready. So we're gonna carefully transfer these over to our hot pan and let them cook on one side. All right, so we're ready to give these burgers a turn. And I'm gonna add some butter to our pan and also some Takis. We'll let the Takis and the butter get nicely in there. All right, now that we have this nicely buttered, I'm gonna take our burgers and roll it through some ground Taki on the edges. All right, so I'm gonna just put it over here on the plate and we're ready for our next step. Today, our recipe involves Takis to get them nicely ground. We have some jalapenos that have already been seeded, and in most of them, I've already added a combination of cream cheese and cheddar. And then we're just gonna seal that up like so. I'm gonna take 2 at a time and turn them in our flour and our egg wash. And then I'm going to add them to our crushed Takis. Give them a good shake. And then I'm gonna add our coated jalapenos to our air fryer. Let's take these 2 at a time. So So our poppers are ready. I'm gonna take them from our air fryer and place them on this plate for just a moment. And we're ready for our next step. So we're ready to build our tacky crusted burger. Gonna add our 3 burger patties to the top of dressed bun. And then I'm gonna choose one of our jalapeno poppers. Got some red onion for some color and texture. And then a barbecue sauce bun right there on top. Then we're gonna add our poppers. You can find the recipe at chefclub.tv.
So we're gonna start off with this brick of butter. Get some nice chilies on there, let it melt. Get some tomato sauce, spread it on there. Mix it well. Make sure that it's all nice and even. Okay, now we're gonna take these tortillas, heat them up, just like that. Take some refried beans, make sure they are hot, and then that way you can spread them easier. Make sure you get it all over. Try and leave the edges clean so that it doesn't spill out too much. Get some shredded cheese, put it on there, some fresh diced tomatoes just like this. And you can change the ingredients as you wish. We're just giving you an idea here. Dip it in this sauce right there. Bring it on top. And of course, we're gonna give it a flip. Okay. Now next, we got some cooked bell peppers with salt and pepper. You can put as much as you want. We're gonna keep on flipping this until we're done, until the process is finished. Fresh homemade guacamole, spread it on there as much as you want. It is one of my favorite items, so I'm putting a lot on there. Flip it again. Okay, now we're gonna come over here and get some peppers, different colors to make it pretty. Go ahead. Get some ground beef that we previously cooked with some onions, garlic, salt and pepper. Tortilla, dip it in the sauce, sauce it up, bring it on top. Press it out to the edges just so that we don't have a big bulk in the middle. All right, flip it again. 1, 2, 3. Flip it one more time. It may look a little messy, but it is delicious, I assure you. So it is something that you can share at home with a nice group of family or friends or whatever you want. Add some toppings on here, some jalapenos, some peppers. A little more cheese, throw it in the oven. Make sure everything is hot and melty. Get some red and green jalapenos to make it spicy. Some green onions, okay. What else we got here? Some fresh herbs. All right, and now the only thing left is to enjoy this. Get yourself a knife. Cut a piece. All right, now let's enjoy. All right, who wants some? And in it goes.